Let's learn and grow. M. M is for monkey. Let's draw it. We will start by making its cute face. Then the arms and body. And a tree on which it will sit. Our outlines are complete. Now let's color it. We will start coloring the ears first with pink. Now, orange lightly as the first layer. After that, we will add brown color. Next, we will also color brown in the tree branches. Then, bright green in the leaves. After all coloring, it's time for blending the colors to give them a smooth and nice finish. Look at that. Our monkey looks so cute, doesn't it? We have done a great job indeed. Thank you for watching. For more videos, check the links in description. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.